Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone Air, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into DFU mode. So, I'll be using Windows for this, but you can use Mac as well. On the Mac side, you don't need to do anything extra, just open up your Finder, plug in your device, and you're basically good to go. Now, unfortunately, on the Windows side, we will need to do some extra steps, which would include opening up our Microsoft Store and searching for Apple Devices program. This is what is basically substituting the previously used iTunes. iTunes apparently was outdated, so they basically just changed it into a dark theme and separated it into two different applications. So instead of one, now we need to have two. And with that also follows new enshittifications and new user dislike to this, with an even lower score of 2.1 compared to the 2.4 that was already abysmally low on iTunes. Congratulations, you have beaten your lowest, shittiest score. There is a crown to take, a medal for how shitty you can make your software. Well, Apple is definitely winning here. So anyway, once you get this garbage, this absolute ass of a program, we can then open it up, and when you plug in your device, you will see it right here. Now this will be important just because it will give us, number one, the functionality of a DFU mode, and number two, we can see when the device boots into the DFU mode, because other than that, there is no visual indication that we have successfully done this. Now on Mac side, open up Finder and you will see your phone on the side panel, like these ones right here. So click on your iPhone and it will show you the page like this one. So now with that out of the way, we can proceed further. So the further thing is explanation of the absolute cheat code of a Konami GTA hacks that we need to put in here to actually boot into this mode. So I'm going to quickly explain this and then I'll do it myself, and I want to warn you, this is very time specific. So we're going to start off by pressing volume up, then volume down, and holding power button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you're going to add volume down for exactly 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, you let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. If done correctly in the time frame that it's supposed to be, which there is nothing indicating that when you're supposed to let them go and do all that stuff, so it's just to literally count it yourself, it will boot into the DFU mode. So I'm gonna grab my phone, and just because it's easier for me to do it while holding it normally, and I'm gonna go through it. So if you struggle putting into this mode yourself, you can follow me exactly when I'm letting go of the buttons and pressing them, and hopefully you can then succeed. So anyway, we're gonna press volume up, volume down, hold power, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, wow. Okay, I let go of the power button for some moronic reason. That's just my mistake right here. I'm just used to doing this with Android, where if you hold power button volume down too long, it just reboots. So anyway, let's try that again without actually letting go of the power button for no reason. So again, up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see I let go of the power button now, and I'm holding only volume down, and there we go. Here's our DFU mode. So that is how you put your device into the DFU mode, and from here we can either update the device or restore iPhone, or aka just reset it. For some reason when it says restore, it actually means reset, but let's not expect too much from American company. Restores in their mind doesn't restore, it removes. Might start similarly sounding, but you know, anyway. So just be wary of that. This will, if you click on it, will actually tell you that it will delete the data. So anyway, I'm gonna click off of this. Now to leave the DFU mode without doing anything, because if you do reset your device like this, it's going to be automatic, so you don't need to do anything extra. Once it's finished resetting it, it's just going to boot back up. But if you just want to leave this mode without doing anything, you can press the volume up, volume down, and hold power button. And you're going to hold it till this page disappears on the computer. There we go. You can let go of the buttons and the device will, as you can see, boot up on its own. You can also unplug the cable. It was only needed to actually enter the DFU mode. And here we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.